The first step in replacing your BMW key fob battery involves safely opening the plastic casing. For most models, especially those after 2015, you'll need a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam of the fob and gently pry it open, working your way around the edges. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this can crack the plastic. Some older models, pre-2015, might have a small Torx screw that needs to be removed first. If your fob has a valet key, remove it before starting. Avoid using metal tools near the circuit board to prevent electrical shorts. Remember, the process might vary slightly depending on your BMW model year, so consulting your vehicle's manual is always a good idea for specific instructions. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery. Use a non-conductive tool to gently lift the old battery out of its holder, noting its orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, as lithium batteries should be recycled. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring it's securely placed in the holder. Make sure there's no debris in the holder. Snap the case back together securely, ensuring all edges are aligned. Test the fob by pressing the buttons and verifying that your car responds. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and try again. DIY battery replacement saves you money compared to dealership service, with a high success rate when done carefully. Keep in mind that low temperatures can reduce battery efficiency.